Chelsea.
Hey guys, what is up? It is Lacrosse King up in here, and today I'm doing a fidget spinner video. I know I'm supposed to be focused on lacrosse videos only, really, kind of. I don't know, but I like fidget spinners, so I'm gonna do one on fidget spinners if I want. So first, I'm gonna build a fidget spinner. It's supposed to look like that. Showed you a sneak peek because I'm gonna show you that later. It's supposed to look like how I just showed you. It's thick, it's metal. I'm gonna build it. Bought it off Amazon for like $15. You're like, no, Michael, which is my real name. Why in the world would you ever buy a fidget spinner for that much money off Amazon? Well, let me tell you a little story. In school, my school banned them, so it's like everybody wants a fidget spinner now. And they all want fidget spinners? No problem, I got you one. Sell it to you for, what, 30 bucks? Maybe, I don't know. You want it? 15, 20 bucks? Maybe? So, I'm gonna build it. I'd already put the bearing in. I'm trying to hold it in because it'll fall out. Without this little cap keeps it in. Look. See? Bearing is in there. Look. Just dropped out. That's why you gotta put it back in. Put it on. And screw it on. See? Now the cap is on. The bearing is in there. Not falling out. So, I have some screw-on caps. Actually, let me put the other cap on first. Just like this. You heard that snap? It's screwing on, though. It's going to screw on. See, it screws on, and I'll even show you. See? I can't do this. Sorry. Ow, I just cut myself. It's fine, though. See, spins pretty good, I guess. I got it today in the mail for like 20 bucks, and I sell it for like 30. Make a profit. This is the second spinner I've ever gotten. You want to see my first spinner? Yeah, you do. Right here, just a regular old fidget. It's an old regular fidget spinner. Let's see, can I pop any of the bearings out? Yo, what got on my freaking bearings? I let this to my little sister and she got falling all over my bearings. It's like tinted of green. It's supposed to be like that one and it's tinted green. Quick story, I lost the caps because I dropped it like that in school. Cap shot off. I saved one cap, but there's no point in using a cap. Just one cap if you have one. So I'd left it upstairs in my room because I'm currently in my basement. That's why it's a mess because I have three sisters, but two of them play down here. My older sister just stays upstairs. So this is what I've been doing the whole entire thing. This baby. See? Ordered it off of an official fidget spinner website. If you want to know, I'm fairly new at this, but I'll try to put a link in the description. If I don't, comment down below you didn't put a link in the description, and I'll try to do that next video or try to put a link down below. It won't be right here because I'm not good at editing. So this is it. I'll put it in price order. Look at this. $10, $5, $10 fidget spinner versus a $20 fidget spinner. A $20 fidget spinner versus a $50 fidget spinner. $50. Sorry guys, trying to get a good thumbnail there. So, we'll open it. See, it's an original case and everything. Even got some foam padding to secure it in there. Now, see, there's a perfect indent for it. Like you can see, put my finger, and then it's like foam everywhere else. And here it is. Here is my baby. See, it's got like blue little things. It's honestly dope. Like, look, this is another screw on. I'll even unscrew this. Yep, see? I think all screw-ons are just the same. This one's like good though. Oh. I don't even think you could take the bearing out of this one unless you like really force hard, because it doesn't spin off like the other one did. That's pretty cool. So let's slide them back in. Screw it back on. I bought it off the site, then I was like, I don't like it that much, so I was like, should I sell it? I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna return it back, or should I sell it? It's like, let me email the site back, be like, can I return my fidget spinner? They emailed me back within an hour, I guess. Said, no, sorry, you can't return it. So that's why I'm making this video. So I'm gonna sell this for like $60, $70. I bought this for $50, but that's what you gotta do. So, sorry that, I hope you enjoyed. Not sorry anything. Sorry my butthole. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. You thought I was gonna end the video there. Ha ha. Nope, still spinning the spinner. So, this is the end of this video. So, I will see all you guys later. Lax out.